Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can revive your old laptop. I've done one video with installing Windows, which is Tiny 11. You can go check my playlist in there. But this time I'm going to show you how you can install a Linux operating system on any devices. The Linux operating system I've chosen this time is called Pop OS. Pop OS is developed by System76. So it is Ubuntu based operating system. Again, I want you to stick around until this end of the video and share with your friends and family members, and obviously give it a like, subscribe, and let's get started. First of all, 8 to 16 gig USB drive. If you have USB 3, that's good. If not, 2 will do the job as well. Now you need to download a couple of software. So first is Balena Etcher, second is your operating system, and depending on your hardware, you can try a different operating system. So the recommendations are Linux Mint, or you can go with Raspberry Pi, which is Pi OS, or you can go with the same Pop OS, which I'm doing. Again, all the link will be in the description below, so you can just go in there, scroll down, download, so you don't have to hassle. You press download, and then you just select the top one, which is the long-term support. So go download. Once you download it, I recommend you is to create a folder and save everything in the same folder. And from there, you just double click the Balena Etcher. And if you are a Windows user, you install that, or if you're using portable, double click it, open it. Once you open it, the first interface you will be greeted with is one of this flash from file, and then you go in the directory where you have actually downloaded it, go flash from file, and this is my Pop OS because this is what I'm gonna go with. Again, depending on what you are using it, you can select that, which it has to be ISO file, remember that. And then press open and select the target disk. Here you just need to be careful because sometimes you accidentally press show to hidden file and you'll be able to flash it. So if you ever get confused, go back, press cancel, select external drive you have mounted, and please make sure whatever you have in the USB stick, please back it up because it's going to flash. It's going to clear everything. Selected, select the target and press flash. Once you press flash, it will ask you for the administrative password depending on your system. You put that administrative password, you wait for a while. So now this flashing process starts. As you can see, it's 2-3%. It's gonna take a while, depending, and that's what I mean. If you have USB 3, it will be quicker. I'm doing a USB 2, so I'm showing you the real life scenario. Most of the people will have USB 2, then it's gonna take a little bit longer. After flashing, it will validate that the installation process. That means the system is good or not. This Balena Etcher will check it, and I will come back shortly after the flashing completed and see the flashing is completed. Remove the pen drive. So now everything is all ready. So next thing, what you're gonna do is you're gonna go back on your device, which is the Windows laptop or desktop or whatever you're using to flash it for. Go in the BIOS settings, or you can Google your specific model and then find out how you can select the boot drive. So you're gonna plug one in. You can select the boot drive. For Windows, again, you just have to select the boot drive. Most likely it should be F4 or F2. For Mac, you plug it in, you restart, you hold the option key, and then go back and then open this up. And the installation process is going to be very smooth. Now I'm going to show you my Mac screen here. And once I press power, I hold the option key, as you can see. While I'm holding the option key, it will boot up. So this icon, which is for USB, this is the Pop OS. I'm going to go try the Pop OS. So this, you just select enter because this is the first boot up. It's going to take a while to start the screen. Again, I couldn't do screen capture at the moment because my device is not working, so I have to show you this way. So this is all system file initializing and everything. Again, it's fairly common to see this stop. So this is a trial phase. This is like a try Ubuntu or try things. Again, you press wait because you're running through USB. So I'm gonna be honest with you, I've used this Pop OS and somehow it has everything built in. So you have a Pop Shop, which is one of the best things. Pop Shop gives you that freedom that you can go any sort of application you like. It's in a click of a button. So once you click open, you press it, you can see there's install. Press install, put your password in, and bam, it will be right here for you. And you can create your own folder as well. This is your first installation process. It will show you. So install Pop OS 22.04. That's what we got it. You press select. So what country do you live in? I live in Australia, so you live in different country, you select that. And then English, Australian, yep, I'm gonna go do that. And for this video purpose, I'm gonna reset, I'll go clean install. This is where you can select your different. If you wanna do custom install, that means you go custom in there and you'll be able to select the drive. So that means you can repartition the drive, create a different partition for your drive. So you, in one drive, you can have Windows, another one you can have Linux, or another you can have different multiple operating system. But for this video purpose, I'm going to go clean install. And is this my NVMe drive? Yes, I got a 500 gig Samsung SSD NVMe. I'm going to go erase and install. So the name of the PC is called test. And by the way guys, if you like this video, sub to the channel would be awesome. And Sam, this video is for you. Press next. Password, you need to create a password. So now it will encrypt the drive as well. So I don't want to encrypt the drive. Again, depending on your what are you using, SSD or hard drive, it will flash very quickly. So let's extract the file. And once you are in there, you can just update the whole system by terminal, or you can update the system by pop shop as well. Another thing what might happen is you might see the whole screen frozen. So and then even if you try to move your mouse, it would not do anything. That's because of your USB. It might freeze. So do not panic. Just wait for a while. Let the system configure itself, let the system do its job, and it eventually will come out. And if you don't see things moving forward, probably after 5 or 10 minutes, then I'll restart it and redo the process again. Okay, so what it's saying is that it's going to restart the device to shut down. Now, what I would do is I'll unplug this USB now and press restart device. I'll wait for a few seconds. Again, it might freeze first. You might see this is nothing's happening in there, and then you might see a couple of errors in here, so you might panic. So do not panic. Wait for a few seconds. It is very quick system, so you will see that you won't even feel like it just rebooted. So that's what it's going to look like. It's going to spin up and then just bam, it will just come back on. Don't panic. Again, this is my test account. You can see I press enter and I'm going to put my password in. At first setup, so this will ask you to do a couple of things. Do you like dock on edge, or you like dock no edges? So it is kind of a welcome to pop shop. So if you don't want to dock on the bottom, see the dock. If I press no, then it will remove the dock. If I press yes, it will show you a black border on the side, or you don't want any black border on the edge like that. If you want a clean style like a Mac style, then you can do that. So I'll go with this and I'll press next. And your workspace button is one of these buttons. So if you're not familiar with the Linux operating system, then you might not know, in different environment as well. So you can go do a couple of things in different environments. So you can be opening up a YouTube here, or you can be doing some desktop work or multitasking. And the best thing is this has a very good auto tiling system. I'll show you then in a second now. So I'll go press next, show you that what you need to do if you are launching this stuff for the first time or using it for the first time. Press next again, and then you go next. Again, you connected with the Wi-Fi. Again, go skip. If you want to turn on your location service, it's entirely up to you. You can press next. Now to set up a time zone, I'm living in Sydney, so and I'll go next, and you can start using pop operating system. So see, it has given all the things for what you need. So now you can click on that, which is in a pop shop. You can update the system by using command line, which is a terminal, and then you just need to put password in. So it's gonna hit it. Wait for a few seconds. Now I can go sudo apt update. Now you can see it's hitting it up. So it's getting all the pools it needs. Once everything is sorted here, it will ask you to go sudo apt upgrade. Now you can go upgrade it, and 86 megabyte will be used. Yes. Now we'll start downloading. So now you can while this is happening, this auto tiling system, which I'm going to show you shortly. So see how it says tile windows, you select on. So while you're using first any standard file, then you will be working in a full screen. But now if I open up another one, it automatically adjusts itself. Now if I'm opening up so for example settings, that will automatically adjust on the bottom. So if I open up, for example, a pop shop, then it will automatically adjust it here. Or you can select, go whichever way you like. So you can do 4 items together or 5 or 6, depending on how many you need. And this is the best thing in the pop over. I want you to give it a try. And if you need any videos to be done here, you can request that as well. So by the way, guys, thank you for staying all the way to the very last. Appreciate it. This is Genius X6 signing out. Peace.